Good morning, my dear students. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrutyorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. ओम शांति. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take class for UKG numeracy skills. Class UKG numeracy skills. Okay. In the numeracy skills, today I am going to teach you from page number 38 to 47. Page number 38 to 47. And I'm sure that you all were familiar with the number names like ONE 1 to 15. Hope you all are familiar with. Okay. The same revision we will do in this class. If any guys are not familiar with the number names, just focus it and get familiar with the number names. Okay? Okay? What are number names? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like this we keep on saying numbers. What about number names? Number names means the spellings of 1, spellings of 2, spellings of 3, spellings of 4, like this. Okay? The spelling of 1 is ONE1. Here, this is number 1 and number name is ONE1. 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 Then is 2. TWO2. 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 THREE3. THREE3. Number 3, number name 3. Okay. Next is C4. 4. FOUR4. 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 Write the number names from 1 to 10. Write the number names from 1 to 10. Before writing, get familiar with its spellings. 4. FOUR4. FIVE5. SIX6. SEVEN7. EIGST8. NINE9. TEN10. Hope you guys are familiar with number names. This is the revision of number names. Okay? ONE1. 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 TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGST8, NINE9, TEN10. Okay? Alright? These are called number names. Now, we read the numbers and the number names. We need to write the number names here. Okay? So, we need to write the number names from 1 to 10. So, here we need to write ONE1. Here TWO2. THREE3. FOUR4. FIVE5. SIX6. SEVEN7. EIGST8. NINE9. TEN10. TEN10. So, these are number names. I am sure that you all are familiar with number names. Okay? The same thing you need to write it here. Then number form. Write number names from 11 to 20. 11 to 20. ELEVEN. ELEVEN. 11. Here TWELVE. 12. TWELVE. 12. THIRTEN. 13. FOURTEN. 14. FIFTEN. 15. SIXTEN. 16. SEVENTEN. 17. EIGHTEN. 18. NINETEN. 19. TWENTY. 20. Now read carefully the spellings of 11 to 21, 20, 11 to 20. Read all these number names carefully. Here 11. ELEVEN. ELEVEN. 11. TWELVE. 12. THIRTEN. 13. FOURTEN. 14. FIFTEN. 15. SIXTEN. 16. SEVENTEN. 17. EIGHTEN. 18. NINETEN. 19. TWENTY. 20. Okay, shall we write the number names here? Right. We are going to write the number names from 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Now write here the number is 11. Write the spelling is ELEVEN. 11. Now 12. Same number names. 12. 12. Okay. This is 13. THIRTEN. 13. Next is 14. FOURTEN. 14. This is 15. FIFTEN. 15. Then 16. SIXTEN. 16. 17. SEVENTEN. 17. EIGHTEN. 18. NINETEN. 19. Then the number name is 20. TWENTY. 20. Will you write? Hope you are familiar with these number names. 11 to 20. Just read the spelling and you need to write the spellings. Okay. ELEVEN. 11. TWELVE. 12. THIRTEN. 13. FOURTEN. 14. FIFTEN. 15. SIXTEN. 16. SEVENTEN. 17. EIGHTEN. 18. NINETEN. 19. Next is 20. TWENTY. 20. The same you have to read the spelling, get familiar with spelling, and you need to write the number names here. 11 to 20. Will you write? Hope you are familiar with this. Next is count and write. This exercise is all about count and write. Count and write. So this is count and write. So here we need to count, then we need to write the number. We need to count the balls and we need to write the number. How many balls are here? 1. Write 1 here. How many balls are here? 1, 2. Write 2 here. How many balls? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Next, how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. Next, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You need to write 9 above here. Okay. Next we need to count from bottom to top. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write 10 here. Just counting and writing the numbers. This is called count and write. This is called count and write. See here, one more time. See, this is 1. I wrote the number 1. This is 1, 2. I wrote the number 2. 1, 2, 3. I wrote the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wrote the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wrote the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wrote the number 6 here. Then here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I wrote the number 7 above. Right? Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wrote the number 8 above. Okay. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I wrote the number 9 above this. Right? Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wrote the number 10 here. Okay, just counting and writing. Counting and writing the number. Okay, hope you are familiar with it. Alright, next worksheet is about complete the pattern. We need to complete it. We need to complete the blanks. 2, 3, next number is 2, 3, next number is, come on, tell me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay guys, 1, so this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is 4, 5. Now we need to begin from counting from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Next number is from 12, 13. 12, 13. Now we need to start counting from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19 is over. Now counting from 9, 10. 9, 10. 9, 10. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, next counting from 8 and 9. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, right. what I did, I have completed the blanks. 8 from, we need to count from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we need to count here from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, we need to count from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here we need to count from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to complete the blanks. Okay, we need to complete the blanks here. Next is count and draw. Count and draw. Okay, count and draw. Whatever the object you can draw. Which object you like, that object you can draw. Just you need to count the number. The number is here. We need to draw those many objects. Count and draw. For example, here 5. What I have to do is, I have to draw 5 objects. Any object, circle, triangle, okay, rectangle, square, or any object like flower or anything. Okay, shall we do? I will draw triangle here. 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles I draw here. Okay, right. Next 9. 9 is here. I will draw 9 circles. 1 circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count 9. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 objects are drawn here. Okay. Alright. Next is the number 7. The next is number 7. Number 7. Number 7, I will draw flowers. 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 flowers, 5 flowers, 6 flowers, 7 flowers. The number is 7. Here is 7. I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I draw 7 flowers here in this. Count and draw. The heading is count and draw. We need to count and then we need to draw the number of objects. Here it is 12. Here it is 12. What I will do? I will draw rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't get panic. Here, what all the objects you can able to draw, that you draw. Not particularly need to draw triangle, circle, flower, or the rectangles. Any objects you can draw. Anything. Or same objects you can draw everywhere. No problem. But only thing is that you have to understand 5, we need to draw 5 objects. 9 objects. 7 objects you need to draw. Here 12. Here number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 12 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this activity makes you observation, identification, association, counting and creativity. So here it is counting and it is creativity is here. Okay. Followed. We need to follow the skill focus. What a skill you have got here? Counting and drawing any objects. Counting the number. The number is 5. We need to draw 5 objects. Number is 9. We need to draw the 9 objects. Number is 7. We need to draw the 7 objects. Okay. Next is here. This is completing the pattern. Completing the blanks. Here it is 3. We need to count from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we need to count from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like this we need to do this activity. That's it. Okay. Hope you guys understood this concept. Next is count and circle. Count and circle. We need to count the number of objects. We need to count the number of objects. Okay. We need to count the number of objects. We need to count the number of objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many objects are here? 11 objects. We need to count and circle. The activity is counting and circle. Count and circle. The heading is count and circle. We need to count the number of objects in the box in the particular group. I need to circle the number. Number is given here. Options are given here. Just we need to circle the correct option. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or you may count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, however you count, you are going to get the same number. So, number 11 is here. I am going to circle the 11. Okay. Okay, guys. Alright. See here. Triangles. How many number of triangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We need to circle the number 16 from the given option. Okay. Now we will count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We need to circle the number 16 here. We need to circle the number 16 here. Next is, so here, number of caps, hats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The number of hats are 12. Here 15, 12, 18. Which number is correct option? This is the correct option here. Okay. Followed. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The number of objects are here as, so let me count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The number of objects, burgers are here in the group are 17. This is 18, 15, 17. The correct option is 17. The correct option is 17. Okay. Followed. Alright. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The number of apples here in this group are 13. So you count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 11, 12, 13. Which is the correct option? Exactly. 13 is the correct option. Okay. Shall we count the number of cars? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 cars. Shall we count once again? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The number of objects are 18 here. Number of objects here are 18. Next is number of bats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright? How many objects are here? 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 20, 19, 14. Which is the correct option? 14 is the correct option. Right? Circle the 14. Circle the 14. Here, number of roses. How many number of roses are here in this group? Shall we find? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Number of objects are 19. Number of objects are 19. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 18, 20. Which is the correct option here? 19 is the correct option. We need to circle the 19. Okay. Hope you have followed this. Hope you have followed this. Alright. Okay. See here. This is the counting and circling. That's it. This activity is all about counting and circle. Okay. Count the number of objects in the group and we need to circle the correct option in the given option. From the given option. Right. Okay. Count and circle. This is the activity is about counting and circling. Okay. Will you do? I'm sure that you are going to do. Next is here. Count and color. We need to count the object and color. We need to count the object and color. So here, count and color. So 12 triangles. How many triangles? 12 triangles. We need to color only 12 triangles. Out of the given triangles, number of given triangles, we need to color the only 12 triangles of from crayon. Any color, whichever you like. Not particularly, the color is not mentioned here. Okay, just we need to count and color with any color from crayon. Okay, alright. So 12 triangles. So here number of triangles are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 triangles are given. Out of 14 triangles, what you have to do is you have to color only 12 triangles. Only 12 triangles. So now shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From this up to this triangle we need to color with any colors or from crayon. Any colors of the crayon we need to color it. So I will take the red one. I will take red color to color the triangles. So I will just mark here. I will mark here. This is the color of this triangle. Okay. 1, 2. Color neatly because I am not doing the neat work here. So you guys need to color the complete object. So just we need to color it. Okay. I am coloring with the same pink color or red colors. Okay. Color. So how many triangles we need to color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12 triangles. 8. I have marked here up to 12. Okay. 9. 10. 11. Okay. 12. This is the 12th triangle I have colored. So here 12 triangles we need to color. Count and color. Count and color. How many triangles we need to count? Number of triangles are given more, but we need to color only 12 crayons. 12 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 triangles. Okay. Followed. Next is count the number of circles, and we need to circle only 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 circles we need to color. Up to 9th circle we need to color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are totally 15 circles are there. Out of 15 circles, we have to color only 9 circles. How many circles? The given criteria is, given condition is only 9 circles we need to color. Count and color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to color only 9 circles. Shall I do? Right. I am going to do rough work here, but you guys need to color properly. We need to fill the color properly. See, this is the first circle, second, okay, this is third, fourth circle, then fifth circle here, okay, sixth, seventh circle. We need to fill the color, any color of the crayon, right? 8, 9. This is the 9th circle. So what the condition is? We need to color only 9 circles. 9 circles. Up to 9 circles we have colored. Up to 9 circles we have colored. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles I have colored. Okay. Next activity is again the counting and coloring. So here number of squares are given, but we need to circle only 14 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Number of circles are given are 18. Out of 18, we need to color only 14 squares. We need to circle only 14 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We need to color up to 14th. This is the 14. Just mark out. Then start coloring. Okay. This is number of squares we need to color are only 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We need to color only 14 squares. Okay. 1 square, 2 squares I have colored, 3 squares, color properly. I am doing the rough work here. 4 squares, 5 squares, 5 squares, 7 squares, 8 squares, 8 squares. Next is 9 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square, 9 square. Okay, 9 square. Next is 10 square, 11 square, 11 square, 12 square. Okay, I marked here up to 14 squares we need to color. Okay, up to 14 square we need to color. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Number of squares I have colored is 1, 2, 3. Okay, my dear children. Followed. This is number of squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 squares I have colored. So this is an activity of counting and coloring. Counting and coloring. Okay. Next is counting from 21 to 50. 21 to 50. Okay, counting from 21 to 50. Okay, ignore writing number from 1 to 100. We need to count and write. See here. Sonu has a jar of sweets. Jar of sweets, jar of sweets. Sonu has a jar of sweets. 10 in number, 10 in number. So this is like rhyming way. We need to read the number from 21 to 50, like 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. Okay. So here, Sonu has a jar of sweets. Jar of sweets, jar of sweets. Sonu has a jar of sweets. 10 in numbers, 10 in number, 10 in number. So this is of number 10. All about number 10. This rhyme is like counting up to numbers of 10. Okay. Sonu has a jar of sweets. Jar of sweets, jar of sweets. Sonu has a jar of sweets. Jar of sweets. 10 in number, 10 in number. How many sweets the Sonu is having? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sweets Sonu has. Sonu has 10 sweets. Okay. Next is same line. Sonu has a jar of sweets, jar of sweets, jar of sweets. Monu gives him one more jar, one more jar, one more jar. Monu gives him one more jar. Now Sonu has 20 sweets, 20 in number, 20 in number. Okay. Sonu has a jar of sweets, jar of sweets, jar of sweets. Monu gives him one more jar, one more jar. Now Sonu has 20 sweets, 20 in numbers, 20 in number. In one jar there are 10. There are 10 sweets Sonu had. Again Monu gave him another jar of 10 sweets. How many total? 20. 20 in number, 20 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 number of sweets Sonu is having right now. Okay. Next is Sonu has 2 jars of sweets. Sonu's jars of sweets, jars of sweets. Sam gives him one more jar. Now Sonu has 30 sweets, 13 number, 13 number. Sonu has 2 jars of sweets. How many jars of sweets Sonu is having? Sonu has 2 number of jars of sweets. Now Sonu has 2 jars of sweets, jars of sweets, jars of sweets. Sam gives him one more jar. Sam gives him one more jar. Now Sonu has 30 sweets. Sonu has 30 sweets. 30 in number, 13 number. In one jar 10, another jar 10, in third jar 10. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. In one jar there were 10 sweets. In another jar 10 sweets. And Sam gave him one more jar of 10 sweets. Now the number of sweets Sonu has is 13 in numbers. 30 in numbers. Okay. Alright. So Sonu has 3 jars of sweets. Now Sonu has 3 jars of sweets. Here Sonu has 3 jars of sweets. 1, 2, 3. Right? Next is Sonu has 3 jars of sweets. Sonu has 3 jars of sweets. Jars of sweets. Jars of sweets. Riya gives him one more jar. Riya gives him one more jar. Now Sonu has 40 sweets. Sonu has 40 sweets. 14 number, 14 number, 14 number, 14 number. Okay. Sonu has 3 jars of sweets. Jars of sweets, jars of sweets. Riya gives him one more jar. Riya gives him one more jar. Now Sonu has 40 sweets. 14 number, 14 number. 1, 2, 3. In one jar there were 10 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of sweets are 40. Total number of sweets are 40. Each jar consists of 10 sweets. 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Total number of sweets equals to 40. Right? Next is Sonu has 4 jars of sweets. Now Sonu has 4 jars of sweets. Here Sonu is having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jars of sweets. Again Pam has given one more sweets jar. Okay. Sonu has 4 more jars. Sonu has 4 jars of sweets. Jars of sweets. Jars of sweets. Pam gives him one more jar. Pam gives him one more jar. Now Sonu has 50 sweets. 50 sweets. 50 sweets. 15 number. 15 numbers. Okay. Sonu has 4 jars of sweets. Jars of sweets. Jars of sweets. Pam gives him one more jar. Pam gives him one more jar. That totally 15 number. 15 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one is one jar Sonu has. Another jar given by Monu. And this jar is given by Sam. And this is by Riya. And this is by Pam. So 4 of his friends gave one jar. Then Sonu is having 5 jars. 1 jar, 2 jar, 3 jar, 4 jar. 1 jars, 2 jars, 3 jars, 4 jars, 5 jars. Total number of sweets in the jars are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Total number of sweets equals to 50. Okay guys, this is the observation identification counting in a groups of 10. Counting in a groups of 10. This is a group of 10, group of 10, group of 10, group of 10, group of 10. This is one group 10, 2 groups 10, 20, 3 groups 10, 30, 4 groups 10, 40, 5 groups 10, 50. Okay guys? Any doubts? Any doubts? No. Okay. This is counting in groups of 10. Counting in groups of 10. Okay. Next we need to write the number from 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Writing the number from 1 to 50. Write number from 1 to 50. Shall we write? Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 1 is already written there. So here, writing number from 1 to 50. 1 is already written. We need to start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know writing number from 1 to 100. No issue. You are going to write, I am sure. Okay. So here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Out of the call my head. Class ತೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So next is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 30. Okay. Next is writing from 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, right. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So I am sure that you are familiar with writing these numbers, and not to worry, you are going to write easily. And see here, join the dots from 1 to 50 and color the picture. Join the dots from 1 to 50 and color the picture. Okay, joining the dots from 1 to 50 and color the picture. So here number 1 start from here. Number 1 starts from here. You need to keep on joining the dots from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Join dot from 4 to 5. Again 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Here is 8. Then 9, 10. Now we need to join to 11. 11 number is here. 11. Alright. Next 11 to 12. 12 to 13. 13 to 14. 14 to 15. 15 to 16. 16 to 17. 17 to 18. 18 to 19. 19 to 20. Next is 21. 22. 23. 23 to, again we have, sorry. So this is not 23. This is 26. Okay. 22 to 23. 23. 24. Next 25. Then 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 32. After 32, we need to move on to 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. Next 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay. Next is 44. Again from this 45, 46, 47, 48, 48. The 49 is below. 49. Again down is 50. Down is 50. Now I joined the dot and you guys color it. Color this with a green and this with a yellow. Green and yellow color you do. This is green color you do. Green color you do this, all the stem and this part you do with the green color, and this you do the yellow color. These all petals you draw the yellow color. Okay, will you do it? I am sure that you are going to do the coloring. Just joining the dots and coloring. Joining the dots and coloring. Just join the dots and color it. Okay, so this is joining the dots and coloring the picture. Okay, this up to today I had explained you up to page number 38 to page number 38 to 47, up to 47. This is in the page number 47. So you guys do this activity from page number 38 to 47. Okay. If at all you find any doubts, just you may give me a call. Okay. This is all about the numerous skills for UKG class. The workbook of numeracy skills from page number 38 to 47. Okay. If at all you find any doubts, you may give me a call between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.